Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to edit a fiscal calendar in NetSuite. I'd love to have you subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. So first I need to go into the main menu to navigate to the fiscal calendars. I will go to Setup, Accounting. In the Manage GL sections I have Fiscal Calendars. If you don't see this Fiscal Calendars option, please watch my previous video on enabling multiple calendars feature. So the first thing I do is that I will select my fiscal calendar and then I will click on Edit. So here you have several options. You can change the name and the first month of the fiscal calendar as needed. You have the subsidiaries and tax calendar subsidiaries to show which subsidiaries use this calendar. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Once you've selected, done your changes, you can just click on Save. Obviously, don't forget to visit colendo.com for more tools and information to enhance your accounting processes. By following these steps, you can easily edit a fiscal calendar in NetSuite and improve your financial management. Thank you for watching.